There's a checklist every homeowner goes through. Home insurance? Check. Security? Check. But those won't help when a major home system or appliance fails. Well, there's HomeSafe for that. A home warranty from HomeSafe can save homeowners thousands on costly repairs and replacements for over 20 essential home systems and appliances. From your AC and plumbing to your fridge, washer, and more. All you have to do is call before something breaks.
HomeSafe gives me the comfort and the peace to know that my home, my most valuable asset, is going to be taken care of, and you're saving money that way. There's much more time and money you can invest into your family.
How's this for a checklist? The average cost of an AC replacement can cost up to $2,500. Plumbing repairs can be $3,000. A new refrigerator? Don't get me started. You see, with HomeSafe, homeowners can save thousands. Plus, with unlimited claims and never having to search for your own technician again, a plan is kind of priceless.
When home appliances and systems fail, a home warranty from HomeSafe will get covered repairs fixed or replaced. Once a claim is filed, we find, schedule, and pay for repairs or replacements for you. Get your free quote and call now.
You never think that things are going to go wrong, but over the years they do. And, we've had several claims with HomeSafe, and they've all been covered. I've saved a lot of money through using HomeSafe, and I'm very thankful for that. But what I'm even more thankful for is the time and that it saved me.
Pick up the phone and call HomeSafe, because HomeSafe works for me. I know it'll work for you.
Call now and check getting a home warranty from HomeSafe off your list too.
Don't leave getting a home warranty from HomeSafe off your checklist. Homeowners that call could save thousands. Call now to get your free customized quote in minutes and lock in your low monthly rate. Call right now, 800-963-3994. That's 800-963-3994.